Just Alima, keep this too.
You turn it on?
Yeah, it's on. Okay, so this is a segment called I Me Myself, which is all about you as a person.
Okay.
So camera तुम्हारे पास है ना स्वाति? हाँ. Hello. What is that one thing you are grateful for in life?
Amazing set of parents.
Okay. And how did they react to your decision of wanting to become an actor?
Honestly, they were not surprised. वो होता है ना क्या पूत के क्या पालने में क्या है वो कहावत वो कहावत है ना बड़ी अच्छी सी
Not good at it. No.
एक वो कहानी है एक है जो पालने में देख के पता चल जाता है कि इसकी क्या हरकत होगी तो आई थिंक देन यू राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू
What is that one thing that's missing in your life at the moment?
sleep
So how many hours can you sleep at a stretch?
at a stretch oh I love sleeping I can sleep all day very lazy and I don't get to sleep at all
Do you listen to others?
in terms of
Generally when people...
Any advice or anything?
yeah I listen to them
And
I
then
just listen to them
do you complain?
at times when I'm tired
What makes
and
you
hungry
What makes you happy?
Actually, for me, happiness is not really related to anything. It's just everywhere. If I am in a peaceful, calm state of mind, anything will make me happy. If I'm not, then nothing will make me happy. So for me, it's more inside me.
Right. One thing that you consider yourself good at?
Oh my God. One thing?
Okay, you can tell us
Okay.
more.
Well, one thing I can very proudly say about myself is that whoever's around me, I'm very good at making them comfortable and relaxed and happy. I like to make people smile for some reason.
What is the craziest thing you want to do?
Craziest thing I want to do? I don't know. I've not really thought of it so deeply because मैं पूरे दिन में ही कुछ छोटी-छोटी crazy चीजें करती रहती हूँ.
Okay,
So
what's
one
the last-
crazy thing I want to do, it's not like an ambition.
So what was the last crazy thing you did?
The last craziest thing I did. The last craziest thing I did was that it's a very small thing. Me and my mom, we were going in the mall और वो mall में वो checking होती है ना जिसमें वो गाड़ी पीछे से डिक्की खोल के चेक करते हैं. हम लोग ने सामान ऑलरेडी लिया था. हम लोग मेरी मेकअप वैनिटी मैंने नई खरीदी थी तो वो हम लोग लेकर आए थे और वो आगे ही रखी थी और हम लोग उसको पीछे डिक्की में रखना भूल गए. सो द मॉम इज लाइक कि अच्छा अभी जब वो आएगा तब तो उतर के रख देना. तो द स्मार्ट थिंग आई डिड इज द मोमेंट यू ओपन द डिक्की मैंने पीछे से उसको आगे दे दिया भैया प्लीज़ इसको भी पीछे रख देना. एंड ही गॉट जैप दैट वाई शी मेकिंग मी डू दिस. फिर उसने रख दिया फिर अच्छी सी स्माइल दी और डिक्की बंद कर दी.
So, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
एक्सट्रोवर्ट.
Do you let people's negativity affect you?
I try not to, but if that person or if those people are close to me, then it affects me. If
How
they're not,
patient are
how patient I am. I'm patient for the first 12 hours of working.
you?
Then it all evaporates.
Do you take people for granted?
Not really. I think the only person I've ever taken for granted and then really regretted it and then again came back to being grateful would be my mom. वो होता रहता है आता जाता रहता है वो. It's like that.
Do you take enough risks?
Enough risks? Yeah, of course. I take a lot of risks.
What does the name mean?
Gulki means Gilahri, squirrel.
What are you proud of?
What am I proud of? I am proud of in myself or anything that's around me. In myself or anything that's around me.
Anything that you're
proud
about you.
Yeah, about you as a person. What are you proud of?
About me
As a person.
as a person,
Or something
I am-
that you've probably achieved. And you're
Oh,
very
you've
proud.
done, yeah.
I am proud of. I am proud of the fact that I always take a lot of pain and a lot of and effort to understand what सामने वाला क्या कह रहा है, उसके नज़रिए से उसको समझने की मैं बहुत effort करती हूँ. At times it's very draining, but I make a lot of effort. That's the reason I connect very well with people. That's one
If
thing.
not an actor, what would you be?
Blank, no thought, no plan B.
Do you forgive yourself easily?
Forgive myself easily. In a few things I do, in a few things I don't.
Do you listen to your heart?
Yeah, that's the only thing I probably listen to.
One thing about Sugni which is absolutely not Gulki. And vice versa.
One thing about Sugni that is not like Gulki, that Sugni cries a lot, man, on small things. Gulki doesn't.
And one thing
And
about
one thing.
Gulki,
About Gulki, that is not like
Sugni.
Sugni. Would be that Gulki is good at hiding her feelings at times, and Sugni is not.
And
But do you think people are better off when they express themselves or when they keep it to themselves? Which is better?
I think it is situational. I think it depends on the situation. At times it is necessary for you to express. It's better if you express. And at times it's better if you just shut up.
Yeah, you're. So you've completed 50 episodes recently on the show, right? So how has the 50 episode journey been?
Oh my god, right now it feels like it's already been 50 episodes. The journey's been... I hate you. She's very bad. वो मेरे को पीछे से इशारे करिए कि बाल ठीक कर लो अपने.
आप बाल थोड़ा सही कर लो.
हाँ, अरे क्या कुछ नहीं, रेडियो इस पे हो रहा है रिकॉर्ड, शक्ल भी नहीं दिख रही मेरी.
नहीं, अभी भी अब तो हो रहा है.
I look fine now. Thank
You
you.
are beautiful.
Yes, yes. There you go. Let's
Yeah,
do
you
that.
can start all over again.
Yeah.
Congratulate करो पहले 50 का फिर से.
हाँ.
Yes.
Oh, congratulations on successfully completing 50 episodes on Fir Subah Hogi.
Thank you.
Please tell us how the journey so far has been.
The journey has been beautiful. It's been extremely what do you say? क्या बोलेंगे यार उसको? No, not exactly overwhelming.
Fulfilling.
What happens when your curiosity is killed? Like it's satisfied.
That is it.
Yeah.
It's been very satisfying. Like a lot of things about, let it be related to acting, let it be related to television, let it be related to anything. It's been very satisfying so far. It's been very risky also in terms of the action sequences I've done. It's been very tiring also. मुझे अपने बारे में बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें पता चली कि अच्छा मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ, अच्छा मुझे ये भी आता है, अच्छा ये मुझे नहीं आता है, ये मैं ऐसे मेरे को लगता था कि मुझे आता होगा.
So what are those things? Tell us about one or two.
A lot of things about me that I've realized that I can do is work more than 12 hours and give equally good take even if I'm like gonna die after that take. And one thing that I can't do is, which I thought that I can, is be patient after 12th hour. Yeah, after 12th hour. I can't. I tried, I can't. I just don't. अब 12 घंटे के ऊपर हम काम करने लगते तो सब मेरे आसपास समझने लगते कि अच्छा सरदार जी के 12 बज गए.
So how?
One second. Stop. इसको.
अच्छा क्या हुआ?
Battery change करना. Thank you.
अरे वो बैग तो उधर ही रह गया, उसको चॉकलेट देने. हाँ. वो कहते हैं बैग उधर है, that red one. वहीं पर all the way there. Just the bag is there.
यहाँ पे चार्जिंग पॉइंट तो होगा ना? हाँ, there is. और वो हाँ,
This
if
bag
you
she
now
does
she'll
that.
bring this. You will charge. How is it like? What do you think of Wasim as a director?
he is fabulous. Like absolutely no words for him. मुझे याद है जब फर्स्ट टाइम जब हम लोग ने मॉक शूट किया था और उसमें वसीम सर थे एंड when you meet him for the first time he's not really very मतलब मैं जैसे बड़ शुरू हो जाती he's not like that. He keeps it to himself. He takes a little time to open up. So first time जब मैं मिली थी तब मैं थोड़ी सी डर गई थी कि पता नहीं like you know how he might be and what and all. But once we started shooting properly, he is an amazing human being. He is an amazing director. The best thing about him is that he knows. I'll tell you very personally what I feel with him as an actor on an actor-director basis. कि उन्हें बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि मुझे क्या बोल के क्या समझा के किस तरह से परफॉर्मेंस निकलवाना. He is extremely good when it comes to emotions. Technically he is perfect, of course everybody knows. But मुझे स्पेशली बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैं एज एन एक्टर बहुत ज़िद्दी हूँ, बहुत स्टबर्न हूँ. जब तक मुझे प्रॉपर रीजनिंग नहीं समझ में आएगा, जब तक मुझे इन माई हेड इफ आई एम नॉट कन्विंस्ड अबाउट इट आई कैन नॉट डू इट बिकॉज आई कांट फेक. सो ही हैज़ दैट नैक ऑफ कैचिंग मी. ही अंडरस्टैंड्स मी, द एक्टर इन मी रियली वेल. उनको पता है कि वो क्या बोल के मुझसे वो निकल रहा है. सो दैट्स वन थिंग आई रियली एडमायर अबाउट हिम. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट ही इज़ अमेजिंग एट चिलिंग आउट पीपल. मतलब कितना भी स्ट्रेस हो, लोग 2 बजे तक रात को शूट कर रहे हो, एकदम टेंशन में हो, सब हो, he'll say something and everyone will burst out laughing. So that's one very good thing about us.
So how is it romancing Varun Badula on screen?
Initially very difficult. I used to feel very awkward because he's first of all such a senior actor. Plus he's like at the epitome of being romance. मतलब वो experience, वो सब समझ में आता है ना. तो मतलब मुझे जो शुरू के रोमांस में मुझे ऐसा घबराना होता तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने एक्टिंग की. वो सब सच में मैं डर जाती थी बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी गुड एट इट. हिज इंटेंसिटी, हिज द वे ही होल्ड यू इटसेल्फ, आई बी लाइक ओह माय गॉड. तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था शुरू में, बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट था. आई कुडंट इवन लुक एट हिम बट इवेंचुअली ही इज़ गॉटन दैट फियर आउट ऑफ मी. ही कॉल्स मी राडा इन रियल लाइफ. तो ऑफ स्क्रीन ही ट्रीट्स मी लाइक अ बॉय. And suddenly when it's action, he treats me like Subhani.
So which was that one instance which broke the ice?
Broke the ice? I think with me and Varun sir we never had the ice. मतलब हम लोग जब first time मिले थे तभी we were very comfortable. मतलब बहुत मस्ती है, वो फलाना दिखाना, वो भी बहुत chilled out है, मैं भी बहुत chilled out हूँ. Romantic scenes का I think the ice broke from my side during when we had done that dance sequence. I think that's when my fear of romance put over. I have fear of romance. Yes.
So how was as an actor when you shot your first romantic scene, how was your perception, and after having done it, like, you know, what were your first feelings? Because you see something on screen, but then you act it out. How different is it?
Well, I think I didn't really think about it so much while I was doing it. When I was doing the scene, tab I was just in the flow, in the mood. How normally you do any other scene. जब घर पे जाके मैंने देखा वो, तब मुझे लगा यार कि हाँ यार मतलब मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं इतना बुरा नहीं. मतलब I thought that I can never romance because I don't romance in real life. I'm not a romantic person. पर जब मैंने वो किया और मैंने घर पे जाके देखा और जब मेरे डैड ने मुझे वो लुक दिया ना कि बेशरम बदतमीज लड़की एक जो है बुजुर्ग इंसान को रोमांस कर रही थी ऑन स्क्रीन, तब मुझे लगा कि अच्छा मतलब इट इज कन्विंसिंग इनफ.
Nice. Okay, so taking off, let's ask you some informal questions. What, according to you, so far was the silliest question in this interview?
In this interview, none.
Okay.
None.
And what is the first thing that you noticed about us when we walked in to interview you?
Oh, the thing is कि first मुझे तो कहीं से मिली थी that you are वसीम sir's friends. मुझे ऐसा किसी ने बोला कि वसीम सर के कुछ दोस्त हैं, वो आपसे मिलेंगे. तो मैंने कहा मतलब वो कुछ बड़े ऐसे फॉर्मल से फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना टाइप्स कि मतलब हाँ पता नहीं कोई चैनल से आए होंगे, कोई कहाँ से, कोई दुबई से आया होगा.
बने दुबई वाले.
हाँ तो मुझे कहा ऐसे कोई दोस्त होंगे. आई वाज लाइक कि अच्छा. देन आई केम टू नो दैट इट कम्फर्ट बट द मोमेंट आई मेट यू ऑल, द मोमेंट आई सॉ यू ऑल कि लाइक नहीं ये तो अपने ही बंदे हैं.
Okay, so have you ever felt conscious about answering certain questions in interviews with any media?
My height of being consciousness was at the press conference 17th of April, जब एंड में सबको सारे आर्टिस्ट को बुलाया गया और एंड में जब मुझे बुलाया कि ये हमारे शो की लीड सुगनी करने वाली है, मैं पोडियम पे जाके फॉर 15 seconds आई वाज फॉर 15 seconds इतनी खराब हालत कि आरसी सर पीछे से आया, उन्होंने कहा इट्स ओके कोई बात नहीं, और मुझे उठा के साइड में कर दिया. उसके बाद से आई हैव नेवर बीन कॉन्शियस.
What kind of questions annoy you in an interview?
When they ask me आगे की स्टोरी, मुझे ही नहीं पता होती यार, मैं क्या बताऊँ. When they ask me अरे आपके और विक्रम में प्यार होगा, शादी होगी, फिर अनुज का क्या होगा, मुझसे क्यों पूछो यार, मैं थोड़ी ना बैठी हूँ स्टोरी पे. Very annoying.
Okay. How necessary do you think is publicity in your line of work?
I think it is very necessary. Like from what I've heard from others, what people around me keep telling me. But if you ask me personally, तो मुझे वो बहुत ज़रूरी इसलिए अभी नहीं लगता, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है if your work is good, then people will notice.
If there's somebody you had to interview, who would you interview?
About professional questions or personal questions?
Depends on what you want to ask them.
Professional questions, I'd like to interview Wasim sir.
Okay.
क्योंकि उनके थॉट्स बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, तो एक दो इंटरव्यू तो उन्होंने मदद भी की है मेरी, बताना मत किसी को. तो प्रोफेशनली द कैमरा वोंट डिच मी. एंड पर्सनली अगर मुझे किसी की पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में ऐसे कुछ छानबीन करनी होगी तो वो है अनुज, फॉर श्योर, बिकॉज दैट बॉय डजंट टॉक.
Then you have to watch
Our interview.
because
Yeah.
I'm sure after that you will never make that statement.
He
Never
said it?
again about Anuj.
No,
no,
interview we did. When you say he doesn't talk,
You're going to take back your words.
Yes.
What do you say?
you're going to take it back.
अच्छा, मतलब वो मुझसे कॉन्शियस होता है.
No, don't tell him we told you that. We have to edit this, right?
I have to edit this.
जाना है. अच्छा, एक last question.
हाँ.
We've just completed 1 year with Rangmanch. So, not only a message, we would like to know how you liked this particular session, and what should we do the next time to make you happy? Because we won't just stick to question and answers. We'll do whatever you want. The choice is yours.
First of all, let me tell you, I think there have been 2 interviews which I feel have been the best interviews of my life. One was recently with the Great magazine, and second would be this. Best interviews, like the most beautiful, amazing set of questions, and beautiful, amazing people.
Homemade Rangmanch chocolates.
देखा तारीफ करने का फायदा. So yeah, so this and congratulations Rangmanch on completing 1 year.
Thank you.
And next time, can we have a little more interactive interview with 2 or more cast? Like so that I get to pull each other's leg.
Fine, you tell us. In fact, you can do the interview. We will be mum.
Fantastic! I love you all.
Yes.
Let's do
You
it. I'll
want to
take
do
everyone
Wasim.
else's interview.
You want to do Wasim's
I want to do Wasim sir
Yes. So
interview.
next time. It's
Next time we'll do Wasim sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
इसी क्लिप में करना है.
हाँ, हम अभी कर सकते हैं.
आज भी कर सकते हैं.
But right now I'm not really prepared with the questions. No.
We'll give you heads up.
Okay.
अभी मैं इनके सवाल
कोई बात नहीं. No problem.